Presenting the Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, Alpine white clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum STD, and engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat.